you landed on this video because you want to learn how to file 50-50 custody, or you want to learn how to get emergency affidavit to get custody of your child, I'm about to help you out right now, and I'm gonna show you how to do it 100% free. So if you landed on this video, you're in the right place. This will be the best information that you can find online. I promise you that. So with that being said, guys, here in my hand is paperwork in which I had to file for myself to get my child's mother in court for paternity establishment. I had a summons for to have the sheriff process served for free, guys. Literally the only thing I had to pay for was to get these papers notarized. I had to go to a notary and get 2 of these documents notarized, and I was literally able to do this in about maybe 30-40 minutes. And I never knew that it was so easy. I thought that it was literally rocket science. So I'm about to show you what ain't nobody online showing you guys. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video, because I'm literally about to give you the game and you're going to be disgusted with how simple it is. Hold up, quick disclaimer. I'm not a legal attorney. I do not give legal advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Do with it what you will. So first and foremost, I went to my little friend called ChatGPT. Now, it's another tool alongside of ChatGPT in which I had to use the cross-reference, and I'll let you guys know about that at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around, because the information of what I'm about to give you, again, is going to help you file for joint custody, 50-50 custody, emergency custody, whatever legal thing. Hell, if you want to sue the landlord, right? This information, what I'm about to give you, is going to help you tremendously. So first and foremost, guys, you need to download ChatGPT. And again, there's another tool that I also use alongside of ChatGPT, but again, I'm going to give you that at the end of the video. So make sure you download ChatGPT on your mobile device. Tell it what you're dealing with the situation, with your significant other, whether you're dealing with parental alienation or whatever it is you're dealing with, and you ask it, do you have a case in court, right? It's going to notify you. You can tell it whatever about yourself. Maybe you live with someone else, right? Maybe you don't have your own house. You still can get custody of your child, right? A lot of men think that you can't, but you'll be surprised what you will learn talking to AI. Anyway, so the first thing I did was I told it my city and my state. After I told the situation, I say, hey, what documents do I need to fill out in order to get this in court, to get my child's mother to go to court? First and foremost, for me to establish paternity and to get 50-50 custody of my child, right? ChatGPT told me it was a specific document. It didn't give me the right document exactly, and I asked it to provide me the link to this document for my city and state. So if you live in Florida, whatever county you live in, just say, hey, I live in Florida and this is the county that I live in. Please go to the court's website and retrieve the documents that I need in order to file it. And it's going to first, it's going to tell you about the document, and you ask it what it is that you need the document for. And again, while you're talking to ChatGPT, you cross-reference this with another AI, and it's going to tell you if the information is correct. So you say, hey, ChatGPT told me if I wanted to file for said situation to get 50-50 custody or joint custody of my child within this state, this is the document that I need. Can you find it for me? You look at the document and you make sure that the document title is what they say it is, because sometimes it might make mistakes. It might tell you the wrong document. So that's why you want to cross-reference and make sure that they're telling you the right document, and you make sure that you look at the document to ensure that it's the right document. Okay, so, but there are several documents in which you're going to need, because you're going to need the civil summons document as well, so they can be served by the sheriff. So you just can't file the document in court and not have the civil summons document, because you have to take that to, or they're going to give it to the sheriff in order to have them process served. If you don't have any money to file it, you can sue as an indigent, and it's basically like when you go to court and you file in the paperwork saying that you can't afford no attorney or whatever, that they're going to give one for you. What's going to happen is you're going to fill out that paperwork, and you might not know how to fill it out. Most people get stuck when they don't know how to fill it out. But what you do then is you load it back into the AI and you say, hey, or you just talk to it. You can just say, hey, I don't know how to fill out this document. I simply took the download that they gave me, I uploaded it back into the AI, and I said, hey, I don't know how to fill this out. What do I need to put here? And they're going to tell you. Then it's going to ask you for a statement. You can say, hey, could you, this is what I was going through. Could you help me write the brief statement on the document for my case? The AI is going to tell you. Listen, guys, this is real spill. Like, I never knew it was so easy. I was so like, wow, people are paying thousands of dollars for this. You're going to be sick. Probably if you don't talk to a lawyer, pay them a lawyer, you're gonna be even more disgusted. But yeah, so I downloaded the paperwork, I uploaded it back, and I asked it to show me how to fill it out. And what happened was, I do have another software that I use on my PC because I don't have to run out and print it off. But so some of you guys may not have a printer at home. If you got a printer at home, you need a tool like Foxit, is Foxit PDF reader. And what that would allow you to do is it would allow you to sign the document yourself. It would allow you to fill out everything on your computer. It would allow you to put a check mark in the check boxes or whatever. It's just like a little writer, and it helps you write on the document that you downloaded. So what I did was I used Fox PDF Reader. After I downloaded the document, confirmed everything, and then I got the AI to tell me how to fill it out, I just used that tool to fill out the document. Then I printed it off. The very next day, I went to my local bank and I got the paperwork notarized, in which they said I needed to notarize. And you have to notarize the civil summons paper, and you have to notarize the complaint for custody and or visitation. You have to notarize that as well. So, and you can just hand all the paperwork to the teller, and they're gonna know what needs to be notarized. They're gonna look at it and they can say, well, these two papers need to be notarized. And if you're gonna file as an indigent, you might need to have that notarized as well. So again, just tell AI the issues, tell it the problem, and tell it what you're trying to do, and it's going to tell you what paperwork you need to file, and you can tell it find the paperwork for that state. And once you go through it one time and go through the process, and it's not hard, it's not rocket science. I'm not some freaking Harvard graduate. I'm just a regular person who's ambitious and motivated enough to do what I had to do to get visitation for my child. So, and I'm trying to help you guys out because I know that this is valuable information. So the other AI in which I was referring to that you guys need to cross-reference with, and that's the AI that I actually uploaded the document in so it can tell me how to fill it out. And it's called Manus, and that is MANUS. And I'm going to show it to you guys right here. Manus AI. These are all free. Okay, these are all free. It gives you like a quota and how much you can talk to it. I believe it's per day. It's got a certain amount of hours that are reset, but it's more than enough to get everything done that you need to get done. Especially with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very broad. Manus might have a little bit less limit than ChatGPT because I believe Manus is more powerful, but and I have the tool right here on the screen for you to check it out, and you can just, again, I just click, guys. I got it on my PC. I just click that microphone right there, and I just say, hey, this is what I'm dealing with. I talk to it like it's a regular person. We are so blessed to have AI right now. I mean, at least, for the moment. I don't know if it's going to take over the world. I don't know if it's going to get us all out of jobs, but right now it has definitely served a serious purpose for me because I have a few things that I want to do legally. And yeah, this is going to be your best friend. And good luck with you with getting custody of your child. I wish you nothing but the very best, because if you're on this video, then that is definitely your goal, and The information I gave you will 100% help you. I promise you. So, peace.